like,
Yeah, that thing is sweet.
the wind kind of gives it lift, you know.
Oh, okay.
So a lot of times you can see it going higher when I'm not really doing it. Because the wind is really strong, man.